The best choice products wood planter? The Vegepod or Keter Easy Grow? Perhaps the Outland Living Vertical Garden or the Land Guard? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 raised garden beds available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best raised garden beds. The 5th product on this list is the Keter Easy Grow. Raised bed gardening simply means growing plants in soil that is higher than the ground. This helps save space and allows you to grow a wide variety of plants. We like this unit because it has a generous capacity of 31.7 gallons, which is enough room to grow a range of vegetables, herbs, flowers, or even houseplants. We like that it is perfect for small outdoor spaces. This pleasing raised bed garden is a brilliant solution that brings color to your deck, patio, or balcony. It is made of polypropylene resin in a rattan pattern, which matches a lot of patio furniture and makes this planter both stylish and durable enough for use over many seasons. Another advantage is that you can match this raised bed garden to any indoor or outdoor decor. It features an ergonomic design that eliminates the need to bend over and even a built-in watering system and water level indicator to help you care for your plants. This is going to save you time and back pain, which can often be an unwanted part of gardening. Moreover, with its handy dividers, you can mix your bed with a range of flowers without worrying about the distance. We particularly like that it eliminates the need and waste of time for weeding around your garden, preventing back and joint strain for older generations, while also saving a lot of space. Lastly, this raised garden bed is even deep enough to grow carrots and other root vegetables, so that you can get some practical use from it. Its pros are, it has a 31.7 gallon capacity, so it is suitable for a wide range of different plants. It can be used for all seasons year-round, as it can be put indoors and outdoors, and its height helps reduce back and joint pain, which makes it better for the older generations. However, the drainage plug can be quite awkward to use. The Keter Easy Grow is great because it helps you save space and is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Up next in 4th place is the Land Guard. This is a heavy-duty galvanized steel raised garden bed that is constructed from a Q195 metal sheet with a wave structure and oval shape that can withstand tremendous pressure. It's clearly intended to last, and we like that it will not be deformed easily and can be reused for many years to come. Plus, the upgraded arc-shaped design makes the interface smoother. When comparing this product with ordinary rectangular elevated garden beds, we found that it was easier to set up. This galvanized stock tank only takes about 5 minutes to quickly assemble and get to cultivating plants. What's more, as this raised garden bed is designed with an open base, it can effectively avoid water accumulation and decay to protect the roots of the plants and allows the roots to absorb nutrients better. Therefore, we particularly like that it comes in different colors, which include silver, gray, green, brown, and blue, which offers you the choice of finding one that will fit your personal taste and style. Its pros are, it is very durably made, so it can be used year after year without an issue. It is easy to set up so that even beginners can start planting straight away, and it has different color options that can fit your style. However, the edges can be pretty sharp, so you must be careful when putting it together. The Land Guard is an excellent choice for any gardening enthusiast that wants a more permanent planter. Still haven't found a raised garden bed that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Outland Living Vertical Garden. This next one is easy to assemble and is a perfect tight space solution with easy to follow instructions that ensure the assembly of your garden planters will be quick and straightforward without any power tools needed. We found that each hanging plastic box container is 22 inches, which provides adequate room for your plants without wasting precious space in a small apartment, balcony, or any outside area. Another advantage is that you can grow various herbs, seeds, flowers, succulents, or vegetables in just a single place at home. It has plastic bins made from 100% new polypropylene material and is food safe. If you cannot enjoy gardening due to hip and back issues, this is the product you are looking for. The vertical garden bed is built with high-quality materials to ensure the stability of the combined weight of soil, water, and plants. The freestanding vertical garden frame and planter boxes are weather-resistant, making them suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Lastly, this ergonomically designed unit fits within 6 square feet of space and allows you to establish your flourishing garden of tasty ingredients in next to no time. Its pros are, it is the ideal size for smaller homes, it does not require power tools to assemble, and it is made of high-quality materials that make it sturdy. However, there are no drainage holes, so if you intend to have it outside, you may want to drill some or risk drowning your herb garden in the first big rainstorm. The Outland Living Vertical Garden is ideal for green-thumbed people who don't have a lot of space to enjoy their favorite hobby. The second product on this list is the Best Choice Products Wood Planter. This raised bed provides ample planting space with 8.4 cubic feet of space and can support your choice of flowers, succulents, vegetables, and more. We like that it has proper drainage as it has 6 holes that help the roots and allow excess water to escape, which ensures long-term growth and prevents rot or mineral buildup. We found that its naturally durable wood construction provides decent water and weather-resistant structure that will avoid warps and sagging over time. Another advantage is that it has an ergonomic height of 30 inches, which removes the need for bending or kneeling, helping you preserve your back and knees as you tend to your balcony, deck, or patio garden. Additionally, as an elevated bed, it discourages pests, rodents, and other animals from invading your garden space and ruining your hard work. What's more, it has overall dimensions of 72 by 23 by 23 inches and can hold 300 pounds of soil, so it will be suitable for all your planting needs. It is a great way to improve your skills, and we think it would be an excellent gift for any gardening enthusiast. Its pros are, it is a large gardening bed of 8.4 cubic feet, it has 6 holes that make draining effortless, and it is well sized and just the right height to reduce joint and back pains. However, it is more complex to assemble than others on our list. The Best Choice Products Wood Planter is a well-designed, rustic-looking planter that's ideal for flowers, succulents, and vegetables. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top raised garden bed is the Vegepod. This is the product for you if you want the easiest way to grow your own vegetables at home. We like that with this unit, you get the size of a raised garden bed with all the benefits of container gardening. The base contains the soil so neighboring plants cannot steal away any nutrients, allowing your crop to grow stronger and faster. Additionally, the Vegepod is a self-watering garden bed with a wicking system where the soil draws the water upwards and keeps it moist. This saves you from having to top water them all the time and risk overwatering. We found that with this system, the established plants can last weeks without watering, and in cooler times, your plants may not require water for months. This is particularly useful if you're planning a long vacation or simply live in a dry environment. Another advantage is that it comes with a veggie cover, which protects the plants from the harsh sun, creates a perfect microclimate, and provides an ideal growing habitat while protecting the plants from bugs, pests, and animals. We also like that its modular design makes setting it up pretty easy, and it can be raised to 39.4 inches in height with a Vegepod stand. Furthermore, this product comes with a 10-year warranty, making it a risk-free purchase. This unit is perfect for small spaces and allows you to quickly grow fresh veggies at home with less effort. Its pros are, it is a self-watering garden bed that helps you save time, it comes with a cover that protects your plants from the rain, it has a 10-year warranty that makes it a worry-free purchase, and it is fantastic for small spaces. However, it does not come with very clear written instructions, so you'll want to watch the online tutorial video. The Vegepod is a brilliant raised bed that provides an effective and hassle-free way to create a productive garden even when you have limited time and space. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.